Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter problem solving. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. Chapter we are on right now is problem solving. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multi-step word problems. Leslie and Debbie had breakfast at a cafe. Muffin cost $2 each and fruit cups cost $5 each. Leslie had one muffin and two fruit cups. Debbie has one muffin and two fruit cups. How much did their breakfast cost? So you have to calculate the cost of their breakfast. Muffin muffin cost $2 each and fruit cups cost $5 each. Leslie had one muffin and two fruit cups. Debbie has one muffin. So they both have two muffins and 2 plus 2, 4 fruit cups, right? So the cost of each muffin is $2. You have to do 1 plus 1 because they both have one each muffin and times 2 because the cost of the muffin is 2. So 2 times 2 is $4. That means the cost of the muffins is $4. Then you need to calculate the cost of the fruit cups. So they both did 2 eat 2 each. 2 plus 2 4 and 4 times 5 because the cost is 5. 4 times 5 is $20. So $4 the cost of muffin and $20 the fruit cups. Just add so the total cost is $24. Let's just start with the test questions. Write pot and 7 cartons of yogurt. Each carton of ice cream cost $4 and each carton of yogurt cost $2. How much more did Wright spend on ice cream than on yogurt? Okay, so 19 cartons of ice cream, right? And Each carton of ice cream costs $4. So 19 times 4, right? 4 times 9 is 36. $76 it is, right? Now calculate the cost of yogurt. That is 7 cartons of yogurt, each cost $2. $14. The question is, how much more did Wright spend on ice cream than on yogurt? So subtract the cost of yogurt from the cost of ice cream, right? So 6 take away 4 is 2, 7 take away 1 is 6. That means he spent $62 more on ice cream than on yogurt. Got it? The correct option is $62. The correct option is $62. Option number 2 is the correct option. Lisa bought 8 packages of cat food and 3 packages of dog food. Each package of cat food contained 5 cans, and each package of dog food contained 3 cans. How many more cans of cat food than dog food did Lisa buy? Okay, 8 packages of cat food and 3 packages of dog food. Each packet of cat food cost contained 5 cans, right? So 8 times 5, that means the cat food is 8 times 5 equals 40 cans. And then 3 packages of dog food. So that means you have 3 times 3, that is 9 cans. How much more cans of cat food than dog food did Lisa buy? So you have to, how much more cat is food is, you need to subtract dog food out of the cat, right? So 40 minus 9 is 31. That means she have 31 cans more for a cat of cat dogs than dog food. Got it? Okay, so the correct option is $31. Basically, they are the multi-step word problems. You have to do more than one step to complete the question, right? Option number 1 is the correct option, that is $31. 31. Okay, the next one is Anil has 10 red beets and she has 8 fewer yellow beets than red beets. Janelle has also 9 more green beets than red beets. How many beets does Janelle have in all? We need to calculate the total beets she have. So she have 10 red beets. Red beets is 10. She had 8 fewer yellow beets than red beans. So yellow beets are 8 fewer than red. 10 minus 8 is 2. Janelle has 9 more green beets than 10. So green beets you have 10 more. More means you need to add 9 more. 10 plus 9 is 19. How many beets does Janelle have in all? You need to add them. So that is 10 plus 2 plus 19. 31 it is. So that means she have in total 31 beats in all. The correct option is 31. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is word problems with extra or missing information. Let's just start with the test question, right? You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today so that we can do more questions from the test actually. Wilson has a cardboard box and a wooden box. The wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box. Wilson also has a metal crate that is 15 centimeter taller than the wooden box. The wooden box is 17 centimeter tall. If Wilson stacked the cardboard box and the wooden one, how many centimeter tall will the stack be? Okay, the wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box, right? And you are not given the height of the cardboard box, right? Wilson also has a metal crate that is 15 centimeter taller than the wooden box. The wooden box is 17 centimeter tall. You are given the uh, length of the wooden box. If Wilson stacked the cardboard box on the top of the wooden one, how many centimeter tall the stack will be? Okay, so the if the Wilson stacked the cardboard box, the wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box. Okay, so wooden box is 17, right? So that means the wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than the cardboard box, right? You need to calculate the length of the cardboard box. The wooden box is 17. That means the cardboard box is 9 centimeter less, right? So 17 minus 9 is 8. If wood Wilson stack cardboard box and the wooden, okay, cardboard box is 8 and the wooden box is 17. So 17 plus 8 is 25 centimeter. That means now the stack is 25 centimeter because you are not given with the cardboard box height. So first you need to calculate the height of the cardboard box. So the you are given the wooden box is 9 centimeter taller than cardboard box. So the box is 17 centimeter. You can calculate the length of the cardboard box by subtracting 9 out of the wooden box. So that is 25. When you add them, the total is 25. The correct option is 25. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seth took a train from Chesterton to Riverside by way of Watertown and Salem. The train went 8 kilometers from Chesterton, Chesterton to Watertown. It was 12 kilometers from Salem to Riverside. How many kilometers from Seth's train ride? Okay, so the train from Chesterton to Riverside, right? The train went 8 kilometers from Chesterton to Watertown. 8 kilometer it is, right? It was 12 kilometer from 12 kilometer. So you need to add 12 kilometer plus 8 kilometer is 20 kilometer it is. That means the train ride is 20 kilometers. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. 20 kilometer it is. Hmm. You need to know how far it was from Watertown to Oh, yes. The train went 8 kilometers from Chesterton to Watertown, right? But then from Watertown to Salem is not given. Sorry, right? That means there is not enough information to solve the problem. No, you're the Chesterton to Riverside and then Watertown to Salem, but you're not given from Watertown to Salem the route, how many kilometers the train did from Watertown to Salem, right? So that means some information is missing. Jared bought 15 bags of red potato and 6 bags of white potato. Each bag of potatoes weigh 13 kilograms. How many kilograms of potato did Jared buy in all? Okay, so 15 bags of red potato and 6 bags of white potato. So the total bags are 15 plus 6, that is 21 bags. Each bag potatoes weigh 13 kilograms. So weight in total is 21 times 13, right? So 21 times 13 is 273. So the correct option is 273. The correct option is 273. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? Shireen's Pizza sell small, medium, and large pizzas, right? Yesterday, she sold 14 small pizzas. They sold 12 more medium pizzas than large pizzas. The medium pizzas are 13 slices each. How many total pizzas did Shireen's Pizza sell yesterday? There is not enough information. Basically, you are given the small pieces. The small pizza has 14 pieces and they sold 12 more medium pizzas than large pizzas, but you are not given how many pieces of 13 pizzas, all right? So that means there is not enough information to solve this problem. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is guess and check problems. Sadie served 7 tarts. Each pear tart had 10 slices and each apple tart had 6 slices. If Sadie served 15 slices of tart in total, how many each type of tart did she served? So basically, you have to make different combinations of apple tart and pear tart, multiply them with their cost, and you have to see if together they make 50 tarts, right? You can see here in total she served 7 tarts, right? Now just make different combinations for 7. For example, she have one pear tart and she 6 apple tarts, right? So 1 plus 6 makes 7 because the total tarts were 7. Now you need to calculate the total slices. You have 6 slices for pear tarts, so you have to do 10 times 1, and 6 slices for apple, 6 times 6. So when you add they makes 46, right? So you have to the pieces together makes 50. That means this isn't the correct option, right? Just make another one. The other one is you have 6 pear tarts and 1 apple tart. So multiply 6 times 10 and 6 times 1. When you add they make 66. This also isn't the correct option. You need to find a combination that makes 50. So 2 pear tarts and 5 apple tarts. So 2 plus 5 equals 7 tarts. So 10 times 2 plus 6 times 5 they makes 50. That means Sadie served 2 pear tarts and 5 apple tarts. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Rona has 4 bags of coins. She Some of the bags contain 6 gold coins and the rest contain 7 silver coins. If Rona has 27 coins in all, how many bags of each type coin does Rona have? So she has 4 bags of coins, right? That is an important thing. You have to see how many bags of each type of coin does Rona have. The total bags she have is 4, right? So you can see here 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 makes 7. This isn't the correct option. So 1 gold bag and 3 silver bags. Let's see if together they makes 27. So 1 gold. So 1 times 6 because some of the bags contain 6 gold coins. So you have 1 gold coin. So 1 times 6 plus you have 3 silver coins. So you have to do 3 times 7 and together they makes 27. 6 1 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 plus 6 makes 27. So that means the correct option is 1 and 3 because the total bags are 4. So 1 plus 3 makes 4. Got it? So the correct option is 1 and 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? A manager bought lunch for his co-workers. Each person picked either a salad or a burger. The salad cost $3 each and the burger cost $4 each. If manager spent $20, bought lunch for 6 people, how many of each item did he buy? So he bought the lunch for 6 people, right? You are given two options, 4, 2, 1, 1. So 4 and 2 make 6, right? Let's see, he have 4 salads. So each salad costs $3, 4 times 3. And each burger cost $4. The burgers are 2. 2 times 4. So 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8. Together they make $20. So he spent $20. So the correct option is option number 1, that is 4 and 2. At the zoo gift shop, posters of eagles cost $2 each and posters of flamingos cost $10 each. Mrs. Garrett bought 5 posters and spent $26. How many of each type of poster did she buy? So which is the correct option? 5 posters, right? Total. So 3 plus 2 makes 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find the order. Okay, let's just start with the test question so that we can do more test questions, right? Okay, Brent has more cousins than Chanel, fewer than Estelle. Who has most cousins? Okay, Brent has more, right? Brent has more than Chanel, but fewer than Estelle. So that means Brent has fewer than Estelle. The question is who has the most cousins? This is the order. Chanel has fewer, then Bryant, and then Estelle has the most. Now the question is who has the most cousins? So which is the correct option? Estelle has the most, right? The correct option is Estelle. Option number 3 is the correct option. Sydney earned more money than Janelle but less money than Amy. Who earned more money, Janelle or Amy? So Sydney earned more money than Janelle. Here you have Sydney, he earned more than Janelle but less money than Amy. So who earned more money? Which is the correct option? Amy earned the most. The correct option is Amy. The chocolate cookie is larger than the lemon cookie but smaller than the sugar cookie. Which cookie is the smallest? Which cookie is the smallest? Which is the correct option? Lemon cookie is the smallest. The correct option is lemon cookie. Option number one is the correct option. Mill Valley is farther from the ocean than Oak City, but closer to the ocean than River City. Which town is the farthest from the ocean? That is Oak City is the correct option. River City. Mill Valley is farther than ocean than Oak City. Mill Valley is closer to the ocean. Okay, that is River City is the correct option. Amanda scored fewer points than Russell, but more points than Dennis. Who scored fewer points, Russell or Dennis? So Amanda scored fewer than Russell. So that means Russell earned more points than Amanda, but more points than Denise. Who scored fewer points, Russell or Denise? Amanda scored fewer points than Russell, but more points than Denise. That means Amanda earned more points than Denise. So that is like this. Denise, Amanda, Russell. So that means the less. Who scored the fewest points? That is Denise. Option number two is the correct option. Bernice lives closer to the park than Sean, but farther from the park than Craig. Who lives closer to the park, Craig or Sean? Which is the correct option? lives closer to park? The Craig is the correct option, right? Option number one is the correct option. Brain lives farther from the library than Trends. Brain lives closer to the library than Arlet. Who lives closer to the library, Arlet or Trends? Who lives closer to the library? Arlet it is, right? Okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5 math. Chapter we're working on is problem solving. The lessons we have covered today are multi-step word problems with extra or missing information, guess and check problems, and find the order. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you have any questions, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. You can please ask questions if you need more help with any. No questions.